Hafa PIFA, what's up? This is Marvin Manabusin from Crowns Guam. Today we have a very special collection for you. Right here we have the Guam Silk collection, and we did this in white on white with the camel brim. And then also we have the big seal in red and black. And also this year we brought out the flag colorway in a nice satin material. And also just your clean black on black colorway. We also have a nice chief satin colorway in a Raider colorway, and then also crown floral, super clean, can't go wrong with this one. This also is a very special edition. This is a long sleeve. We part of our Forever Guahan collection, has Forever Guahan and then also the seal in the back. This is a heavy hitter. And then also the one I'm wearing, this is the PIFA shirt, PIFA exclusive, that says Pacific Islanders, Poly Micro Melanesia, and then of course the flower that Islanders can all, enjoy. We also have a Crown Desert Camel, a Chief Tribal hit, and then also Guam Silk jersey. And we have some accessories as well, and ladies and kids gear too. Okay, this is our 5th year showing at this amazing event. I want to thank all of you, and we can't wait to see all of you guys come to PIFA. Thanks.